Hi guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to see all installed apps on Windows 10 and make it super easy to find every program on your computer. So let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where Windows gives you access to all your programs and settings, so it's the first place we need to go. Step 2. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Settings is where Windows keeps all its main options and controls, and we'll use it to find the apps list. Step 3. In the Settings window, click on Apps. This section organizes all your installed software and makes it easy to manage them. Step 4. Click on Apps and Features. Here, you will see a complete list of all applications installed on your Windows 10, including both Microsoft Store apps and traditional programs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.